Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today topic today our topic about Fiverr. What is Fiverr and how to make money on Fiverr? If you work remotely and now how to make money on Fiverr? Your earning potential is endless. With Fiverr, you can travel anywhere you want in the world while putting your skills to use and, of course, get paid. Despite what you think you can earn way more than $5 and job with Fiverr. Some freelancers are paid hundreds and even thousands of dollars. So as you can see, Fiverr's infamous $5 reputation is thankful long gone. Listen up, digital nomads, travelers and job seekers. Fiverr is a great way to utilize your skills while earning a bit of extra cash on the side. So let's dive a bit deeper and learn how to make money on Fiverr. In this video, I will show you what the platform is all about, how to get started, and what sort of jobs are available on Fiverr, including the top 10 most lucrative and popular gigs. Table of content. What is Fiverr? How does Fiverr work? How does get started on Fiverr? How much does Fiverr cost? How to make money on Fiverr? Top 10 job categories. How to get more sales on Fiverr? Pro and cons of Fiverr. Ready to start making money on Fiverr? Number 1. What is Fiverr? To put it simply, Fiverr is an online marketplace that offers a wide variety of services, tasks, and mini jobs. Founded in 2010, Fiverr aims to provide an online platform where freelancers can advertise and list their available digital services. On the site, you will find millions of gigs for every type of skills. Whether you're designer, web developer, lawyers, or even a machines, Fiverr as something up your alley. On Fiverr, the offered services are referred to as gig, and many of them start at just 5 USD. Each enhance the name of the company. However, this is just the base pay. You will find plenty of gigs that pay in this some comparable ranks as other job service sites. By connecting sellers directly with freelancers, Fiverr has grown to become one of the largest websites to offer an online services exchange. Its popularity in the industry makes it a desirable way. Thanks for watching, friends. Today my topic is close. I will make a new video on Fiverr who will help you in online earning. Thanks for watching and subscribe us my channel. Allah Hafiz.